Sorry about the portrait filming. I was just concentrating more on trying to stay dry, get warm, make a brew, and get to the porch. When I started recording, it had stopped raining. It was raining quite a lot early hours of the morning, and then as the morning got on, it died off. But I managed to get a tarp up, and that kept us dry. But it wasn't ideal just to stay there all day because I didn't know how long it was going to last. So I just thought I'd be better off making my way to the church, getting dry, making a brew, and then figuring out what I'm going to do for the day. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay here for a bit, have my brew, and then I'm going to go to the cafe, charge up some power banks, have a sandwich, have a coffee, and just stay at the cafe most of the day now. So we're nearly there. It wasn't forecast to rain. Anyway, we're nearly here. Well, we're in the church grounds. I don't really want to show around too much because of the graves. Got to try and be respectful. Cough. Right, having a brew. Coat soaking wet. Dogs are wet. Right, bring you back. Ah, yeah, that's bubbling nicely, that. It's ready. Can't wait. So it's been raining this morning. I managed to get a tarp up for me and the dogs when it just started a very light spitting, and it wasn't forecast, so I decided to put a tarp up, and then it just started raining a lot heavier, and once it had died down, I just thought we'd break camp and just head to the church. So we're in the porch again, and I've got a brew on. Stopped raining now. I would show you around church, but it just don't feel right without graves and that. I'm sure that they wouldn't want to be on YouTube, so it's just what I think anyway. That satisfying feeling you get, the first brew of the day, you can't beat it.